No pigs for you. Apollo wants the pigs. Mama's making something better than pigs. Don't you want to wait for dinner? Apollo bites the pig. Don't you want dinner?
He's taking for breakfast. He's really hungry.
Oh, brother's mean, huh? Do you want a banana?
A pig.
Do you want a pear?
A pig.
Do you want a banana?
A pig.
Do you want a cookie?
A pig.
Why would you say that?
Because he wants... Look, have a banana. Do you want...
Here, other one.
Oh, you have an owie. Do you need this data to fix it?
No.
Let's see. Oh.
I'll fix it.
Oh, good job, Apollo.
See? See?
I see, good job.
Sour cream. Oh, Aiden, I need you to clean that. What I did.
Oh, Aiden. Here, eat that banana.
Aiden, grab some paper towels. Give that to Mark.
Good job.
No pig. No big pig. I got put. I got the.
Oh, see? That's yummy. That's better than a pig, huh?